Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you are having a fantastic day. We are here doing another review, and I know that quite a few of you have actually been contacted about doing these reviews by ComLife, and this is Next Gadget, I think it is, or something. So I know, which I think is kind of cool that there seems to be focusing more on smaller YouTubers. Which is kind of a neat idea. So anyway, so we are here with a sound sleep therapy system. So here's how Amazon titles it. It's a white noise sound machine, sound sleep therapy system with Bluetooth speaker, 10 soothing natural sounds for baby, kids, adults, phone charging, stock and timer, gift. 2 USB cables included, silver and white. All right, open her up. Noah, let's look at this thing. Styrofoam.
Oh, that's heavy.
Okay, so let's take everything out here. And as always with things, we will put a link where you can pick it up on Amazon. And just so you know, those actually help us out. The way that works is that if you click on that link in our description and purchase it, then we get kind of a kickback. We get a portion of it. So that does help us out. All right, so we got our little thank you card. So we've got a plug. USB, which is always nice. So it works with other chargers.
The plug-in cable.
Yeah, the plug-in for
which
that.
Which is actually just a micro USB. Wait, is it? Yeah. A micro USB.
Let's undo this here. So you got USB on one side and a micro USB on the other.
So that's...
So again, you can use other cords.
You can get a longer one.
Yeah, you can get a longer one.
Because it's like...
And then we also have the two, I guess, charging cords. You got the Apple one and the mini USB. All right, so we've got, here's the different cricket, a brook, a bird, a lullaby, a frog, a white noise, ocean, fireplace, tic-tac.
Top?
No, it says tic-tac. And thunderstorm. All right, so we will plug this in, and you guys can hear some of the sounds.
Do you want me to, are you going to go get a longer one?
This is the right way. I don't know what his problem was. All right, so here we go. Got an extension cord. Got it plugged in. Now,
You're recording.
on.
Oh.
All right, so we'll turn all those down.
Off.
Okay, so will you see if that's actually on? Can you see it?
Down a little bit. There you go. No, up. That right there.
All right. Okay, so here's cricket. I hate crickets. Here's a brook. Now I have to go pee. Birds. Again, I don't think if I'm trying to sleep, I want to hear that. Lullaby.
Maybe turn it down when you're going to sleep.
Okay, frog. I hear a lot of other things. I don't hear a frog.
That's white noise.
White noise.
Static.
Well, that's what
I know.
white noise is.
Ocean. Come back in a little bit of ocean.
Okay. That's a fireplace. So it's not very loud, but... Okay, so here's the one. Tic Tac. I don't know what this is.
Talk.
There's not talk, though. It's just tick. Okay, and then thunderstorm. All right. There's all your different
And then,
sounds. There's
wait, you
volumes.
You can mix the sounds.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So let's get some birds and some frogs and a brook.
It's like you're out camping. Okay, so let's go to the extreme here. Let's get all of them. Let's see what happens. Alright. Hopefully that lullaby music is not copyrighted. There's also a sleep timer, 30, 60, 90 minute sleep timer. An M. I don't know what the M's for.
What was that?
I have no idea what that was.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh,
Oh.
that's what
So
that was.
it has Bluetooth, so you can connect so you can just listen to music through it, whatever. So kind of a neat little thing. I don't like, that's just a thank you card.
Oh.
I don't like noise when I'm sleeping. I know some people do. And also I know people that have to travel with like sounds or fans or whatever. What?
I can't see you.
That's all right.
Okay.
Can they see this?
Now they can.
I know people that have to travel with things like this, and so it's small, it's lightweight. It plugs in easy. You can charge your phone through it.
Let's see if it works.
I'll put my iPad on there.
I don't know if it's strong enough.
So
Yeah.
it is charging.
Get a close up. What's that?
See that? Charging. Little green thing.
Wait.
Not charging. Charging.
Yeah.
So all right.
Oh.
So it says, so anyways, there it is. Like I said, if you like noise when you're sleeping, it's great for that, or, especially if you travel or something like that. It's small, as you can see. I mean, it's not smaller than my hand is. So anyways, also, if you're interested, as you can see, we got t-shirts.
Wait.
The GOODsell Life on YouTube. And you gotta always laugh a little.
Wait, show the front again.
Okay, so there's the, oops,
There.
GOODsell Life. Laugh a little. So anyways, there's those. Unfortunately, they were a little more spendy than what we thought. And so if you are interested in one, they are $25 plus shipping. And we've got a few of each size, small to 2XL. But anyways, that is that.
And how should they get in contact with us if they would like to buy one?
If you're on our page, you can go to the About section, and the links are on there, Twitter and Facebook or in that stuff, and you can contact private message through Twitter, all that also, or we have a PayPal account, and so if you are interested in getting one, you can get a hold of us through PayPal, and that link is in the About page as well. So there we go. Great little machine. Head on over. Like I said, we will have a link in the description down below for that. It is a great little thing if you need sound when you're sleeping. So check it out. Follow that link. So I hope that you guys have a great day. I hope that you have a blessed day. And I know we didn't do much, but I hope something today made you laugh a little. We will talk to you later. Goodbye.